The head of one season is the beginning of another season. We've just ended our nursery season, and now we've started counting our production season, and it has officially started. And we look like we are destroying what we made by uprooting our seedlings, but this has to be done. Today marks our first day when we are doing our transplanting, and this transplanting cannot be possible if we don't uproot our seedlings so that we can start our transplanting. And I wanted to share with you how we uproot this. Remember, the variety is the green variety, or green capsicum or green sweet pepper, specifically done in the open field. There is no greenhouses here. When we have the greenhouses, I'm going to share that with you. So today we are doing the uprooting. So this is how I do my uprooting of the seedlings. Mercilessly. As we continue, so many farmers have been asking whether I do a stress reliever during transplanting to relieve the shock of transplanting shock. I don't do that. I have enough irrigation water. You know, shock is because of irrigation, and I've already solved that. The nurseries are well irrigated. Also, where I'm transplanting, the place is also well irrigated, so I don't do the stress reliever or the shock stress product. Like I told you, the many things you do, you increase your cost of production. But if you're in a position to do that, I'm not stopping you from doing it. Other farmers are doing it, but in my case, I'm not doing it. I'm doing it my way. If you can be able to learn my way and do it better than me, that is what makes me happy. So this is how I uproot my seedlings. As simple as this, just taking your stick and uprooting them. There is no rocket science. Yeah, because you may be wondering, they are not in trays, so how do I uproot them? So I uproot my seedlings, and all the seedlings in this section will be uprooted. Everything here will be transplanted. No matter what, they are going to be transplanted. Some saying they are going to be transplanted, and some are very small. I think they are going to leave some, but majority, 99% of the seedlings here will be transplanted today. So this is how we do everything. Hope you are learning something from my activities. The reason why I'm using a stick is so that I can uproot my seedlings with the soil and transplant them. But uprooting them singly with this way is also good. There is no need of uprooting them in a lump of soil, but if you can be able to transport them in a lump of soil, the better. But if this, it's still okay. Hope you've learned something from today's session. This is just but the beginning. Follow us to the field so that you can see how we plant them, so that you can see how we manage them from now to the market and how we do our businesses. Bye.